learn from this story because the way it was written was by a student. You dig? Shouts out to comparing students' work levels because there is differences. Like I call Akira Toriyama a D student all the time because his level of work it was like a D student. He had so much stuff to do, but then he was like bad with his deadlines and timelines. Like, hold on, I'm not finna be producing this every week just because y'all got me working myself to death. Nah, I'm gonna produce it at better quality, and when you get the story, you get it. But don't take too much time. Like, hey, we need new shit at a regular basis because you putting in work. Now we don't. I mean, he was a D student, so his storytelling slacks in areas. He'll be forgetting that hey, I can utilize these characters better if I wrote them better. But since I'm pressed for time because I'm doing for much, I ain't just writing one story. I'm writing like 10 different mangas at a time. Now let's focus in on one and make it a better story instead of butter on toast, spreading that shit thin. Y'all know we smoking and doing our Bobby and coffee. So the people that don't like that part of the content, sorry for you, but you know how we do. You know how we do. But anyway, like I said, looking back into the Bobby and coffee, uh, oh man, yeah, that's hitting back, right? The next one we're gonna talk about is our Queen Unbiased LLC. I appreciate that she uses and has a great buy me a coffee. You dig? Coach Sherry, she right here in the chat. We've already dropped her link. And matter of fact, she dropped something on our buy me a coffee again today, which we appreciate. Y'all know to go check out Coach Sherry. She's been doing a lot more content. She's been having lives in the evening, shorts in the morning, and she's figuring out her user's algorithm by using her analytics so she can actually maximize her best time to post and what to post. You dig? We appreciate Coach Sherry for being a student of the game. Hell, if y'all need y'all some game, go learn from one of these established coaches out here. That's one of them people that's actually in the field putting in the work. You dig? Because anybody can be at school reading the books. But the people that are out here putting in the work, they can give you the game for free as long as you're paying attention. Shout out to the attention part because that's the part that's free. You dig? Let's see. Then we got on our list Despicable Labs. That's some more cannabis community people that we know. We appreciate them for also spending their time and looking into the buy me a coffee because like I said, for you guys that are cannabis creators on YouTube know YouTube doesn't want to really monetize us and keep us monetized because the way the laws are still currently federally set up, they can't support us being paid at 100% to our capacity. But if you know how to monetize in other ways, such as Patreon, buy me a coffee, and putting links and stuff, getting you some sponsors and all that type of stuff, then you know to keep up with the YouTube videos and monetize in other places. Also, next on our list is Giggles Bean Company. Shouts out to Giggle Bean Company. We met them through our homies over at Higher Desert Exotic, and those are level 2 buy me a coffee members on our site. So we appreciate them giving us the opportunity to network with people they know. And at some point or another, they started using Buy Me a Coffee, which might be a big thank you to the big homie, but I ain't taking all the credit. You dig? I'm just glad they're using it. Hey, they're also genetics experts out here because, we've actually grown their genetics. So we'll put some respect on their name when we talking about them. So, to go check out Giggle Beans Company. Giggle Bean Company, yeah, they have a buy me a coffee. Shouts out to them. Like I said, we got community names on the list and our other people we just associate with and do our networking with. So we actually got the cannabis community using buy me a coffee, and then there's the normal YouTubers who, hey, I might not have that 1,000 subs or I ain't keeping up with 4,000 watch hours, but I got that buy me a coffee set up so the people that rock with me can go ahead and get their perks and benefits per level. You dig? Per level. Shouts out to Canna King because they actually make good content. I suggest y'all go over there and check them out. They grow me from the grow community. Then let's see. Oh, next on the list is the big homie. Shouts out to Norma Gee over there with AC Infinity doing their thing. Y'all know AC Infinity has been rocking the game with grow equipment for years, I suggest you get you any of their products because it is worth the money. You see what I'm saying? Whether it's you setting up your home grow or setting up a official operation. Shout out to the official operations. Hell, you might even go over there and get sponsored. But it's definitely good to link up with their buy me a coffee because it might get you a special